Jamie Decato, Lakes Region Community College. Today we hosted about 80 students from Seacoast School of Technology, all in automotive classes. We got them on our campus, had them interact with our faculty, exploring areas of transmission, collision avoidance and accident mitigation systems, engine repair, and engine management diagnostics. The students were fantastic. They asked great questions. We had phenomenal interactions with them, and we look forward to seeing them again real soon.
So it has you set the camshafts down inside the carrier. It'll have a bed plate that'll hold them down, and then it'll actually come up with the timing tools that are required to reinstall onto the engine.
Sometimes reverse will get in there and get a little angry. So that's just this little reverse idler gear right here. That'll change the direction.
The camera that's up there in the windshield looking forward, that is your lane departure warning camera.
So we clicked on the engine computer, so the ECM, and you can see we have a DTC for the crankshaft position sensor.
What an awesome time the students are having. They went around to all the different areas toward the school, saw what all the programs have to offer here, and especially the automotive program and what they offer. And they've been having a great time.
I thought it was great. I mean, everyone here seems nice facilities.
I liked how they have like the augmented reality stuff. It's really cool and nice to learn.
I like the Toyota program. I drive a Toyota. I'm definitely thinking about coming to here. It's a good school. I like it.
I loved it. They have a lot of opportunities, and I think I might actually be applying here soon. This is probably one of the coolest schools I've been to so far.